Alright people, welcome in my channel. My channel is Aceh Besar. Alright, this afternoon I and my friend here come to go fishing and catfish here. But not only but also today I would like to promote my country, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Europe, and then Africa. There is very tourism like in front of tourists that Aceh. Today I am one of the beach, the beach or the beach or sea, beautiful panorama. He would call what look what they not only people hours in the day, but also hours in the afternoon, hours in the night, hours out in the week. People get here when those people get a weekend, they are getting fishing here. This is very cold, like a lot of islands here. Mountain islands, not a lot of dolphins, the boat still. This is very cold and awesome that you couldn't find in your life. So don't forget, one more thing, one more time, just mark my word. Don't forget that I can show it in your life. When you start like from California, we have in Lange. And then like Sabang Island, this is same like very cool, same as Miami Beach. This is very cool, and then Los Angeles, this is very cool also. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I myself, my name is Sam Marani. I want to promote Aceh my country, Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, and then Africa. This is the United States. You think that the United States is very cold. So just visit Aceh.